So to create that product video, I had to come to ChatGPT and I wanted to give it an angle that it should generate for me. I wanted it to be like a CGI style, very high quality. So here we are going to be talking about a bottle perfume or a perfume bottle or a luxury perfume, and it gives the scene here. So this is the scene. So the first step is actually to write out the prompt that you want, and AI can help you do that. So you can use any AI that you want. So I'm using Claude in this case. So I'm just going to copy the prompt. So if you have your particular product, you can basically just give it an image of your product and tell it to write a prompt for this. So I'm just going to show you how to do what I'm talking about. But before then, let's go and try this one. So we have this, and then we want to use an AI tool that will help us do this. And there are different kind of AI tools that you can use, or AI video generation models. But I want to show you this one. So I want to use Higgsfield in this case because Higgsfield has a lot of videos, would be 1 2.6. So 1 is very good and it has very good quality. So I'm going to select the 1 2.6. I already created videos on how to use Higgsfield.ai, but today I want to use it to create like an advert or a product image, very high quality one in this case. So this is what the interface is going to look like, and you have different things you can do here. So if you click on this, you can select the different models here, or we are just going to stick to one. You can upload an image, and using that image, you can give it a prompt to turn that image into what you want. Again, you can upload your product image here, but I'm just going to give it the prompt that I had written or that I have written. So if you want to use multiple shots, you can come here, toggle it on, and make sure that the model is this one, 2.6, and the we want to keep it here. The duration, I want to keep it somewhere around, let's do 15 seconds in this case. So the more you generate, the more seconds, the higher your credit goes. And then here you can make it 1080p. So the video is done, and this is very high quality interpretation of prompts, and you can see that it pays attention to the prompt and it delivers incredibly well. So this is a simple way you can use AI to create high quality CGI level product videos for your product. Again, you can give it a prompt and you can also give it your product image, and it's going to generate whatever you want it to generate.